Five little ducks went swimming one day. Over the pond they splashed away. Mama duck quacked loudly, quack, 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 quack. But only four little ducks paddled back, wiggling tails and flapping wings. Four little ducks went swimming so free, over the pond past the big oak tree. Mama duck quack, 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 quack. But only three little ducks came back, splashing softly through the reeds. Three little ducks went swimming one day. Over the pond they went to play. Mama duck quack, 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 quack. Only two little ducks returned to Mama, bobbing gently on the sparkling water. Two ducks swim, two ducks swim. Two little ducks went swimming so far, over the pond past the shining